guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have GLOSSYBOX's new Holiday Limited Edition box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so this box just arrived. GLOSSYBOX did send me this for review, so thank you so much for sending me this box to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, this is the 2021 Holiday Limited Edition box, and oh my goodness, I do not like gold, but I have to kind of get over it on certain things because a lot of it is used with gold, but this is a gorgeous box. The only thing is it kept like falling in. One of them kept falling. Yeah, this one kind of like kept falling in a little bit. So I wish the lid was a little bit wider than the outside of the box so it doesn't collapse inside like it's doing. But needless to say, this is a gorgeous box with like the geode print. Reminds me of the advent calendar they did, and one or two of the little spots of the drawers actually had like this bluish color, but it was mainly pink. And I'm like, ooh, I like that little tiny bit of like bluish gray. This one is all that bluish gray, so it's just absolutely beautiful. I do like the box. I just wish the lid was made a little bit wider so it wouldn't collapse inside like it's doing right there. But let's go ahead and learn a little bit about this and then we'll dive in. So again, this is the Holiday Limited Edition box. It is supposed to have 9 luxury beauty products inside with a worth over $230. Actually, that is incorrect information. I am so sorry. I was actually going off of information that was sent to me by email when they asked if I wanted to review this box for you guys. And then while editing, I'm trying to get the screenshots and I see, oops, that's not the case. It has a worth over $185 and it has 8 products, not 9. So I apologize. That is the correct information right here. This box for non-subscribers is $35. For active subscribers, it's only $30. I will have them linked down below if you would like to go and check out GLOSSYBOX, any of their limited edition, their beauty box, or anything that they do have to offer. They have their own skincare line as well, which is absolutely amazing. But again, everything will be linked down below. Ooh, and then it does continue the design on the inside flaps. And then you do have your card down inside, and this should go over, yes, this does go over all of the products, and it does tell us the pricing. So when you open it up, there's this gorgeous blue. I love that color blue. It's like a grayish blue. And yes, I do keep these, but I'm not telling you what I'm doing with them. I'm gonna keep that. I have a nice little color stash going on, so it could make a really nice thick braid rope. Here's the box. When you open up the tissue paper, down inside, ooh, there are tons of products down in there. So let's go ahead and let's find the first one. So the first one that I'm seeing is this guy right here. And this is a full-size product, and it looks like it is a loose shimmer powder, $15 value. And it says the New York powders. I'll show you what it looks like, but I'll leave it back in this bag to go to one of you guys because I personally just don't like loose powders. It's just a personal preference. But it looks like the color is Allerton, but it looks kind of like a goldish, shimmery color right there. Again, I'm not going to open the package because this is going to go to one of you guys, but I do think that's really cute that they put those little like sequins down in there. Give it a little curb appeal to their packaging, which is super cute. So this says this multifunctional loose shimmer powder is exactly what you need to add a little pop to your look. Whether you want to have a glittery eyeshadow, highlight your cheekbones, or add a little sparkle to your lips, this bold pigment can do it all. So it's a multitasker up in there. Again, valued for $15, and it's at KawaiiGirlCosmetics.com. So there's item number 1. Number 2, it looks like my box has a collagen eye patch, but it looks like the box was supposed to come with a lip mask. So there's this one right here, which looks like that. And this is what I received. So that one was the full size product and it was valued for $18. So I'm not sure how much this is, but if they do have to substitute any products, it's normally about the same value. So it's probably right about there. And this one is an eye patch. So you just put them underneath your eyes, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes and remove. Very, very simple. So I guess you would have received a lip mask or an eye patch. Either one, you would have something like that. Now we have a product by Milk Makeup. And this says it's a full size mini lip plus cheek. Work. Dusty Rose. You better work. It does say work. And it's a dusty rose color. And again, I don't do anything with blushes, so this will go for one of you guys as well. I love when I get to share with you guys. It's so exciting. So this is what the packaging looks like down inside. That would be the color, which I'm not going to remove it because it's going to go to one of you guys. But this one, again, is the full size. It's valued for $20. And it says this easy 2-in-1 Dust Rose Cream Stick doubles as a hydrating sheer blush and a lip tint and builds as you swipe. Its mango butter and avocado oil infused formula hydrates and blends seamlessly into the skin. So you can use it on your lips or your cheeks. You have a 2-in-1. Oh, there's what, 2 different products now are multitaskers? That is really neat. So again, that's $20. And I think that is a really pretty color that should go with most skin tones. So that's really neat. Now we go with this item right here. It's all down inside this little bag. Ooh, I like that little image right there. This says that it's a deluxe size. This big thing's a deluxe size, and it's valued at $56 for this deluxe size. The full size is a 45 ml, and it's $140. This is a 20 ml, a deluxe size. I would never consider this big size a deluxe size, but they do. So again, $56 for this product right here. What are you? Rejuvenate and Hydrate Moisturizing Cream. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And it says, formulated with high quality ingredients and revolutionary technology, this moisturizer, suitable for all skin types, nourishes your skin with anti-aging, hydrating moisture that revitalizes and restores skin texture and gives it more radiant look and feel. Wow, $50-something for this. I love a good moisturizing cream that just makes your face feel so nice and moisturized. I don't smell anything whatsoever, but that's what it looks like down inside. Let me put a little dabble-do-ya on my hand because I just want to feel it. I want to feel it. You do have this little bag that you could reuse. And then there's a little thing in here that talks about the actual brand. And I guess it shows you some more products as well. Oh my gosh. I can't wait to put you on my face. That feels so good, you guys. Again, no scent whatsoever, but it leaves you with a nice, soft feel. Wow, and that's a huge, huge difference between hand to hand. Hand to hand. Don't mind me. Okay, so let's keep on going and we'll go with the next item. And it looks like it's right here. It says Valentino. Oh, it's a perfume. This is a deluxe mini 7 ml worth $9.45. The full size is 100 ml, values for $135. And oh my gosh, I don't even think there's any good smelling, long-lasting perfume or cologne out there anymore under $100. Like, unless you want the small little samples. But if you want a full size, you know, normal size bottle, you're spending $100 to $150 on average. And it's just crazy. It's just crazy how much stuff is just overinflated. But that is a really cute package that you're not going to be able to see, but the two sides kind of dip in like this little decorative, like I can stick my fingers kind of in. That is just a really neat little just design to the bottle. It's not just a square cube. So that's different. And again, that's $9.45. Oh, I was hoping it was going to be a little spray bottle. But it's not. It's a pop your top and just shake it, shake it, shake it. Dabble, dabble, dabble. That's what you get here. So let me give this a sniff. Ooh. I'm torn. Because it's a half like an okay smell, and then it's a half like I don't like you smell. But everybody's own pH, you know, gives you your own scent. Even if two different people wear the same exact perfume, it could smell differently depending on your own body, you know? So to me, I personally don't really like this scent, but others might absolutely love it. I mean, they wouldn't sell it for $130 if it was bad, but it's just not a scent for me. I just don't care for that scent. Maybe when I'm older, I might like it a little more. But as of right now, I don't really care for that scent, to be honest. So the next item is going to be Dutch Dirt Mask. It says Bloom Effects, and it's a mask. This right here says that it's valued for $49 for this guy. Whoa, it's a full-size product. It better be for that. It says an exfoliating scrub and face mask in one. This formula combines the best of chemicals and physical exfoliation to create a skin purifying, pore purging powerhouse plant and fruit enzymes and floral acids tamed with Dutch peat, volcanic sand, and something clay work to purify, detoxify, and renew dull and congested skin. Again, valued for $49. If this has the little particles in it that, you know, exfoliates, I don't care for those whatsoever. So I'll probably just save this to go to one of you guys, but $50 for this little guy right here. That's crazy. Hopefully this works really good. Have you guys ever tried this? Have you ever seen this brand? Let me know, but one of you guys will probably be hopefully enjoying that. Okay, so the next product is supposed to have two. There's no way this is a full size. Like, wait a minute. There's no way a 2 ounce is a full size product. They don't sell anything bigger than this? Is that what I'm reading? It says a full size product. Deluxe set is worth $16. The full set net worth is $53. There's no way this can be a full-size product. It looks like a travel size. It says full size on there, but it's supposed to come with a CBD scalp calming shampoo, which that's what this is, and a hydrating mask. So you see the little 2 for set here? That's a full size. But I don't have the other mask. I have this lip, which I've received a few of these already so far, different boxes, like holiday boxes. But this is nowhere on this paper, and this is the By Terry lip gloss. So apparently they must have ran out of the hydrating mask that matches this, and they put this in. That's not a fair trade because it has nothing to do with your hair. I mean, everything else seems amazing. For these two right here are over $100 in itself, and this whole entire box with this gorgeous packaging is $30 or $35. So the value is there. I'm not complaining whatsoever, but I do think this is not a full size product, or this company just only sells two ounce sizes, like travel sizes. And I think they should have gave me like another hair mask type of product than a lip gloss. But that's my own opinion. So that is everything that came in this box that they had sent to me with those few different items that are different from the brochure. So that is what I received. I received a lip product and a shampoo with no conditioner or mask, just the shampoo. That's supposed to be a full size. This cologne that to me, I'm not digging that flavor even still. I can still smell it, but you do have a perfume sample. You have this $50 face mask. You have a $54 face moisturizer, which, oh my gosh, my hand still feels so soft that I can't wait to try on my face. You have the little cheek or lip product. You have a lip mask, or you could have got the under eye mask. And then there is a loose pigment right there. So that is everything that came in this box. You guys comment down below. Let me know, what do you think of the items that they put in there? What do you think of the items that they substituted? Are you with me with that hair product and the full size shampoo? let me know down below. I will have them linked below as well if you'd like to go check them out. If you want to check out any of their other holiday limited edition boxes, their beauty box, or their skincare, everything again will be linked down below for you to see. And that is everything, you guys. Comment down below. Again, your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.